Do lube your cube well, as this keeps your cube from breaking from friction. Don't overlube your cube. It will get messy and may turn slower. This may also attract some dirt. Do buy a good speed cube. This will help your performance as a speed cuber. Don't buy a cube found in a store. It is most likely Rubik's brand and will show you have more potential than what times you are actually getting. I have a video of budget cubes you can buy that are cheap, so make sure to check that out. Do clean your cube. When I first started cubing, I lubed my cube so much, like every week, because I thought it would make my times better, but it simply did not. I made it slower and slow to this day, so make sure to keep those pieces good. Don't smash cubes. I don't think I have to explain this very much. Do record solves. This makes nice videos to post if you get good times and helps you analyze your solves. Don't limit yourself to one cube. Do give yourself time to try different cubes, because it took me a while to find a good set of cube I prefer. It's just about finding your cube and it takes time. Don't stress it. Fast Rubiks Cubes like X-Men Tornado V3 have plastic in them for customization. These little handles could break and there's no way to fix customization from there. So don't customize your cube too much, as this may cause the plastic to wear out. But do customize to your liking without doing it all the time 24/7. You know what I mean? Don't cube 24/7. I know this sounds crazy, but you overworking your mind could affect other things in your life, like duties or going to school. If you work, then it may cause you to be more tired. If you want long sessions at night, I'm not stopping you though. Do create a YouTube channel. It helps you record your solves, download a software like VLC to slow them down, and share it to your community. The Speedcubing community is always there for you. That's just us. Don't always buy a GAN. This could lead to lots of money going to a 3x3 and not being able to have multiple. In fact, it sounds crazy, but I didn't like the 13 maglev GAN when I tried it at a comp. I'm glad I didn't spend $83 on it, and it leads us to our next topic. Go to a competition. I bet you hear this from everyone, but that is that one thing that will ease your nerves once you do it. It's just like a roller coaster. You're nervous, but then afterwards, you just want to keep doing it again. Also, who doesn't want to meet Max Park? Don't cube in school. Only cube if your teachers allow it, and yes, it does impress friends and could make you a little more popular in school. It also, after a while, can get annoying for people, so keep it calm. Do keep it going. I find that cubing calms, and it can really take your mind off things. That's why it's so popular. So please continue cubing and don't give it up. Subscribe if you enjoyed and want more content like this. See you later. Peace.